The Supreme Court has agreed to hear two petitions on July 27th alleging police excesses against students during protest over the NEET paper leak and other examination irregularities. A bench headed by Chief Justice Surya Kant, along with Justices Joymala Bagchai and V. Mohana, agreed to list the matter after it was mentioned before the court. Senior advocate Gopal Shankaranarayanan alleged that police had used excessive force against students and urged the court to intervene. The Supreme Court also said it would closely monitor the center's efforts to prevent future paper leaks. A bench of Justices P.S. Narasimha and Alok Arade asked the government to explain the steps taken to improve transparency, implement the Radhakrishnan Committee's recommendations, and adopt the IIT examination model. The committee was formed after the NEET UG paper leak to recommend reforms in the examination system and the functioning of the National Testing Agency. Meanwhile, Chief Justice Surya Kant dismissed media reports claiming he had refused to urgently hear a plea against the July 20th police action. Calling the reports completely false and reckless, he clarified that no writ petition had been filed and only a lawyer's representation had been received, which could not be treated as a petition. He said not a single page had been filed before the court by 10 a.m. on July 24th.